Hey guys, Mark aka Frankie here, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to make my special steak platter. And remember, before we're gonna start this video, remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit that little bell to see more videos like this. Let's jump right into it. A steak platter, then I'm gonna make some fries. And I'm gonna set them into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah guys, let's start with the marinating the steaks so they are ready. And to that I have some Danish spices. And then I'm marinating with the both sides, rubbing them good in. It was the Danish spices. Then now I'm gonna put my barbecue spices in it. And it's just gonna then I'm gonna turn it around again. And then now I'm taking my 4 different spices of my special recipe to my steak. I'm turning it around again. And mixing it good and around my steak. And then my last ingredients, I'm gonna take a pepper, and putting some pepper on one side and then another one. So it's gonna taste very good. Then the steaks are ready. I'm gonna let my steaks rest for about 5 minutes before I'm gonna cook them, so the flavor can totally into it, because I've just wrapped it. And then now I'm ready to set my steaks at the pan. Now it has been rested for about 5 minutes. And then I'm just gonna put them slowly on. And then I'm gonna make them to a medium or well done. And as you now can see, now turn it around and taking the other side. And it's smelling very good. And it's looking nice and yummy. And by the way, it's T-bone steaks I'm making. My own little recipe. And I love steak. Steak is some of the good things in life. Sometimes you need to enjoy life. And as I'm always saying, you're enjoying it with a big, nice and great steak. I love steak. Steak is one of my favorite meats, but I'm only taking one at a time because I'm always taking a steak and I'm gonna enjoy. And as you can see, the meat is nice and crispy as it should be. Nice and golden brown as I like it to be. I always like my steaks well done. And then sometimes I'm taking the side. As you can see, the steaks are looking nice and great and ready to be eating now. So I like my steaks and my steaks are tasting great. You should try them one time when you're gonna come out to me. I'm gonna come up to you or something. It's gonna be great. You would like my steaks. So they're done now. So now I will place them at a plate. Just checked my fries, and my fries are nice and golden and crispy. So I'm looking forward to try them to my steak, and then I'm looking forward to eat my dinner. Special steak platter, as you can see, it's looking nice and it's looking yummy, and I'm looking forward to eat my special steak platter. Again, remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And guys, I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers, and I'm hoping you're gonna help me. And again, thanks for all the guys who have supported me and supported me to everything. I love you guys. Mark aka Frankie out. Stay sharp.